what it is. What's up? Hey YouTube, it's your girl Simone. I'm coming back at you with another video. So this video I will be showing you guys how I sleep with my hair straight. Okay, so I just got done filming a few videos and I'm about to get ready for bed. So I said, hey, why don't I film how I sleep with my straight hair? So here we are. I think the traditional way will probably be to wrap it. Everybody knows about wrapping hair, but personally that takes too much time. My hair is so thin that, you know, it usually falls out of the wrap, and I don't want to put any bobby pins in it because it leaves the indentations in my hair. So this is the way that I like to have it. There's two ways that I sleep with my hair straight. So the first way I'm going to show you guys is what I usually do is I take it and I part it down the middle. First thing we're going to do is we're going to twist. So just start twisting. Okay, now this is going to cause you to have a little wave in your hair. So if you do not want a little curl to your hair, do not follow these steps. Nothing too serious. It's just going to be like you see here. And the looser you do it, the less of a wave you'll have. But I don't mind too much of a wave, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it tight. And then wrap it around in like a little bantu knot. Keep wrapping and twisting until you get to the end. Make sure the end is tucked. And then you take a hair tie and just wrap it up like so. So you have a little bun on the side. And then you repeat on the same side. Okay, so now we have two little buns in our hair, and then you just take a scarf, and you can use any scarf you like, and just wrap it up. Okay, boom, you're ready to sleep. Or if you don't want to do it that way, another way is to put it all in one in the back. This also will cause you to have less of a curl in your hair if that's not something you're looking for. So let's see. Take these down. So just gather it all to the back, and then you do the same thing. Just twist it up and wrap. Make sure the ends are tucked and tie it up. So then you have a little bun in the back. And then you just tie the scarf on as well, and then you're ready for bed. So this is how I sleep with my hair straight. Once again, if you do not want a little curl to your hair, do not follow these steps. This will leave a little curl in your hair. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and thank us later.